Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Textme account in 2024. So, guys, make sure to watch this video until then if you want to learn what are the problems which may arise when making an account and the ways to solve them. First of all, if you are using Apple, then go to App Store and install the Textme application. I'm using an Android device, so I'm going to go to the Google Play Store and search for the Textme application. This is the Textme application which I was speaking about. Right now, the most recent update was released in 8th January 2024. I have this application. I am not going to actually update this application. It's because after this update, I heard that a lot more errors started arising. As you can see, the reviews, there were a lot of complaints. So I'm going to use the previous version before the 2024 update version. If you have the most recent update, then I guess it's fine. But if you still face errors, then you can just install the previous version. I'm going to open the Textme application. This is the Textme application, and here we are having two options: get a phone number and login. In order to make an account, we are going to go to the get a phone number option. We are going to be prompted to this. I'm going to click on this. Here, if you are using the email sign up link, I heard that you may face errors if you are located outside the US and Canada regions. So make sure that you are signing up with your Google account. It's not necessary that you use a VPN connection, but still, if you are facing few errors, which I will show you in the further steps, then you may consider using a VPN. I'm not going to use any VPN. I'm going to register with my Google account. I'm not going to display my Google account, so I'm going to just blur or skip out the steps. I'm just going to click this option. Okay, I got an error, so I'm going to try again. As you can see, this is the error which I got. I just got an error message stating error. The thing is that even if we have any issues, if we try to contact Textme, they're not going to reply to us. They have a very bad communication service. After 2 to 3 tries, I was able to make an account. But just remember, I did not use a VPN. If you are using a VPN, there is a human verification step when making an account. You are going to face a few troubles in this step if you are using a VPN. So try to make an account using your own real IP address, or else if you still need to maintain your privacy or hide it, you may try some premium VPNs. Just remember to take a look at the description for the Textme application review and which VPNs are suitable for the Textme application. The video's links are going to be given in the description and the first comment. I would have pinned the comment, so please go take a look at the description or the comment section. Now, as you can see, this is the account. In order to obtain a number, we must go to my numbers option. Here you would have an option known as get a first phone number. In this video, it is just going to be about making an account. This is not going to be about obtaining a number. So if you want to learn how to obtain a number, I would make a separate video, and after I made the video, I will leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. So please go make sure to take a look at it. Now for proofs, this is my account. I'm still new to this application. I do not know how to use it. Just now I made this application. Okay, I'm having 10 credits. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And I have something much more important to share to you guys. The thing is, as of 2024, our channel is getting a huge update. The huge update is going to be about memberships. So the thing is that our channel is getting monetized in 2024. So now you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And after clicking on that, you will be able to find the join button. Just click on the join button. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks provided for becoming a member of a community. There are some exclusive perks such as member-only exclusive videos and one-on-one communication with me via social media, so I can help you guys solve all the errors. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until then. It's me, Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye.